What's up guys, TS67812 here, and I am here in Georgia where it is a huge snowstorm. I hope you all brought your bread and milk, but I'm actually going to go out in it right now. Since I am actually a snowtrooper, I'm the only one able to brave this storm and show you guys what it's like out there in the snowstorm of 2017. Wow, we're in a new year, that's right. Let's go. Starting off 2017, great year already. We got a snowstorm. Oh, might want to turn on some lights. Oh, let's see if we can find some snow. Alright, we do have some snow here. You getting that? We getting the snow? Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow, snow. In Georgia. Good thing I was prepared, because I am a snowtrooper. It's not much snow, it's more like a little field of ice, like not even much. Yeah, I'm actually a little disappointed. There's the indoors, where it's probably almost as snowy. Almost. I mean, you wouldn't want to drive on this stuff, but really, come on, I think people are a little overreacting by the snow. Maybe in your area, definitely not in mine. You can see little snow flurries. That's awesome. Let's see if we can get some falling in front of the camera. Go snow flurries.